Hey guys, so we're still in the middle of doing the renovations and
Next number.
things have hit a bit of a snag point because this lock, literally no one remembers the code to it. So Morris is just playing let's guess a random number. Ooh, interesting.
And now it's time for...
So, as you can see, Morris succeeded in getting the lock off. Look, there he is. But how long did he spend and how did he get the number right? Isn't that what we're all thinking?
Yeah.
Well, hey Morris, let's have a look at how you got rid of that cable. What? What? He just cut it! You know, we didn't have bolt cutters, so we assumed we'd have to get the number right, but YOLO swag. YoungLife Life!